Hi, uh, I have used Pantin a couple times, and I found out that if you move your leg a little bit into the wrong direction, then your rope might come out of it quite easily. There is no safety mechanism to prevent rope escaping from there. Then I found out that Petzl has solution to it, so Pantin right catch. Here's the assembly instructions, and now I'm going to show you how to assemble safety lever to this Pantin right. Okay. First, if we follow the instructions, you put the spring right there. And then we put it there. Maybe if I put the rope there, it won't go all the way. There, yeah. Spring is right there. Not so easy. And then we have a screw. First we put it right through. Then we can take the rope off. And then the other part of the screw. So let's see if it works better after this, because I actually a couple times I found out that rope would come off quite easily. So yep, tighten right. There you go. It's right there. Then rope. So now rope won't come off. And next I need to try it in real action, but that's gonna be another story. So thank you for watching. Bye.